Congratulations to AsiaInfo Technologies, Create Greater China, and Coolgrey Design Workshop on garnering multiple accolades in this year's Vision Awards competition. LACP's Vision Awards annual report competition was the largest in more than a decade. Nearly 1,000 organizations participated, representing a wide range of industries and organizational sizes across more than 20 countries. Despite the unprecedented competition, AsiaInfo Technologies' annual report truly excelled. A total of 6 awards were garnered across multiple industry categories and best-in-class determinations based on geography. These awards include Platinum Winner, Worldwide, Software and Technology Services. Top 100 Reports Worldwide, ranking at number 57. Top 80 Reports, Asia-Pacific Region. Best Agency Report, Asia-Pacific Region, Gold ranking. Top Chinese Report, ranking at number 11. Technical Achievement in an Organizational Report. Once again, congratulations to the entire team at AsiaInfo Technologies, Create Greater China, and Coolgrey Design Workshop for a job well done. Learn more online at www.lacp.com/2021vision or continue watching for additional details.